Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff and I'm coming right back out with you yet another sneaker unboxing. You know exactly what this is because you've read the title, I hope. We have got another box here. Yes, definitely a box. I should probably unbox it. We haven't done that for a while, so we're gonna do that. I probably shouldn't have done that. We got that wrong. Right, so what have we got here, SJ? Let's go over here. So we have got, first of all, a GR, so a nice purple box. We've got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium, PRM, I'm assuming premium, Navy University Gold Gym Red. We will discuss the colours later. They are a UK 10.5 that makes them a US 11.5, and the code is DJ0606400. Boom. 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 Right, back to the middle, SJ. SJ's not being sharp this afternoon. Right, so first of all, big shout out, big thank you to Attitude who helped us with these. But before we go in, actually no. Yeah, we're going to talk about the colours. We are going to talk about the colours. So let's get rid of the paper. All of that stuff. I'm not going to hit the lighting thing over there. I'm going to go further. Let's see how far we can go. Not bad. Not bad. I reckon I could hit that other box that's way back there. Right, so first of all, zoom. Vroom. But then also, zoom. Vroom. But before we go, as I said, a big shout out to Attitude. But I also want to say a big thank you to all our members. You know who you are. Thank you. The support really, really does help. And if you want to become a member, there's a link and stuff down there and below. If you don't know what we do, people, by the way, we do sneaker unboxings, and we are going to look at these in detail. We do the Sneaker Streaming Sunday every Sunday because it's Sneaker Streaming Sunday. And we do all these kind of stuff. So if you want to subscribe down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget you can thumbs down it if you don't like it. Right, SJ. So what have we got? We have got the Dunk Low Premium, so-called Catalonia colors, Barcelona. I am going to argue that against that. Now we've got the shoes are different. So you've got a predominantly Claret shoe with the blue at the back, and a predominantly blue, or this blue toe box with the Claret at the back and the gold here. Now let us have a look on this camera, SJ, because first of all, let's have a look at this. It is a classic. It is a classic. I can't even see. There we go. If the shoes were just like that, I'd have been very happy. I'm loving the fact also white midsole, gum sole. The one thing I wanted to check, well, first of all, because they were mismatched shoes, I wondered if that bit was mismatched. It's not. It's not. But let's come in close, because I want to show you the suede on these. Can we do that, SJ? Are you able to bring it in close two-handed? Because these have been dubbed PRM. I'm assuming that means premium. And we can see, and also look, first of all, randomness. I told SJ was like, what colour do you want to do? Should I go bright or not with my nails? And I was like, well, I go bright. And it happens to match the gold swoosh there. Now it looks like everyone, we've got tumbled leather on the swoosh. It looks like you've got that standard SB suede in the mid panel there. And then we move, obviously we change colour, come through onto the toe box. It does look really good under these lights, I've got to say. Like, it looks amazing. Now you've got a blue flat tongue there as we come round. I'm saying that these are being described as a Catalonia. They're more like Barcelona colours. If it was truly Catalan, it would probably just be red and gold, or at least the flag is red and gold. Don't shoot me if I've got that wrong, people. And it's a red tongue on that pair. Did I say blue? Oh, I got that wrong. Always get excited about these. Always get excited. But these are also a bit claret and blue. Now, I know the blue's not quite claret and blue. Then definitely not West Ham. But if I was to squint and we muted the colours a little bit, we could say that these were the Aston Villa Dunks. No, don't go and get a top, SJ. But the thing is, they're mismatched. Now, I've seen people wearing these already. Like, there's a guy called Mark HB on Instagram who's a skater in the town that we live in. If you go and look at him, his latest clips, he's been wearing these. I've seen him wearing these at the skate park. Now, first of all, we can't do it singularly, SJ. I'm going to bring up the other shoe. Can we move it? Oh, they look good like that. Are you able to hold it like that? Because you have been going to the gym a lot lately, so you have more strength than me in your arms. They look good. They look good. But if we flip them round, and we are going to flip them round, like, I know that's a weird way to look at them. That is so weird, isn't it, people? Right, so the blue laces, flat blue laces, but the alternate laces are the red and the gold. The red and the gold. Now, I am inclined to actually swap the blue lace out and put the red lace in so that you get that, as you can see, but in the inverse. And now I know lots of people are like, just a dunk, just a general GR. But let's go back to the middle, SJ. I kind of want to just like put a thought to you. And I've been thinking about this. Is this the GR of the year? Tell me what you prefer. And what I mean by the GR, like the purple boxes, let's just say purple boxes are GR. We know these are not Orange Label. We were in our local skate shop today, and they had a fair few pairs. You can only pick them up in store. They're actually, I've just been told, they're on a raffle, which is closed. He's distributing them. I got that so wrong. Duh, I'm such a freaking idiot. Right. They were on a raffle on the IG. He's distributing them. I got excited when I saw a whole bunch of shoes. But anyway, SJ, let's go back over here. I was going to say the T word, but I'm an idiot. Right, let us look. So what do we feel like? Give us some focus, thank you. So do we feel the red toe box more than the blue toe box? Shall we come in close? Can we do that? There's the blue toe box. And there's the red toe box. Red, blue. God, I should be an optician. An optometrist. I can't even speak at the moment. Like, look at that. They're a lovely shoe. These are, for me, everyone, I think these are one of the top shoes of the year already. From a GR perspective. I love the mismatching. The materials feel really nice. Like, let's go back to the middle. SJ's shouting at me. Go to the middle. Go to the middle. I don't think you're going to see the rubber, the suede there. I've seen lots of people already put these out. But we do things in our own time here. So what do you think? What do you all think? I think I prefer the red toe box. Like, if I was to, like, I love the mismatching. I think I'm a red toe box guy.
The colour's richer.
It's taken the dye really well, hasn't it? Like, can we see? Does it? Did we even show the red one? I think we did. But like, if you can get that, now let me try and swing the light round just a little bit, and then I'm going to try and come in closer. Like, look at how rich that red is. It's really taken well. Whereas if we bring the blue in, it's not quite as rich, if you know what I mean. And as Jay's saying, it looks faded already. I wonder if that's the microphone in my face. I wonder if that, no, actually, if you
know what I mean.
It's interesting. The dye. This is really, like, I hadn't seen this. This is a minor detail, everyone. But have a look at the dye, the color around the mud guard there. I'm going to go to the middle. I'm going to turn the shoe round. It's taken it ever so slightly differently on the toe box. And it's done the same on that one. It is different. SJ's just calling out all the facts. SJ should do these more often, because she's just like, no, it's just this, it's just that. I'm going to show you the thickness of the tongue. Can you see that, people? It's still quite puffy. Not totally fat, but works well. We're going to come in on the other one so you can see it on what it looks like on the blue. And don't forget, everyone, if you want to see these in the Pint of Stuff style, we'll flick back to the center, SJ. If you want to see them in the Pint of Stuff style, you can actually see these on Instagram. We'll have done a bunch of pictures, which should be live probably now, if I've got all the timings right. Probably. That's Pint of Stuff on IG. Go and check us out. Anything you want to say about them, SJ? That's odd. Right, this is minor. Extra minor, everyone. Extra minor. No, it's glue. You see it? The top there? It's glue. It'll pick off. It'll pick off. No, you don't need to pick it off on camera, SJ. No one wants to see you picking glue off. Like, that sounded weird. No one wants to see you picking glue off. It sounds odd. Really sounds odd. Like, I know I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at SJ now, which is why my eyes just went like that. Anyway, people, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there, and I know that roughly about 70% of you who watch these videos haven't subscribed. Go and do it. It's just there because we do this quite regularly. And yeah, I think that's all from me at the moment. Don't forget to go and watch one of those wonderful videos over there. We say this every time, but Google recommends one of them. I pick one of them, but Google picks one based on what it thinks you like. And I suspect that Google know more about us than we know about us, if you know what I mean. Anyway, people, I'm out of here. Have another look. Whoop. There we go.